Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay June 30, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 30, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, June 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 30, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for June 30, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 30, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.